This is Frankfurt House by Stanza Living. Located in the Koramangala area, while Nexus Mall is right across the street. Popular outlets like the Koramangala Social and Crawl Street are nearby as well. Christ College and the Accenture offices are at a short distance as well. So whether you're working or still in college, reach on time every time. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy, with 2 separate entrances, both password protected, and a 24/7 surveillance system. Best believe that your safety is ensured at all times. Enter into this cozy reception area. This property also boasts of high-speed Wi-Fi, so catch your favorite shows right here. This space is a people's favorite for sure. Take the other entrance to your very own recreational zone. Play a game of foosball or take a seat in this cozy corner. Take the elevator up and make your way past the water station. Enter your cozy and furnished bedroom. Suited to your taste and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. Each bedroom has an attached washroom that is fresh and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. Head up on this big and beautiful terrace and enjoy your view. The dining room promises good times as you can enjoy delicious food prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI approved kitchen. The food is served hot and fresh every day. The greens make the place an absolute delight as well. If you are in a mood for some popcorn or Maggie, head to this well-equipped pantry. And if you're a fitness freak, get your daily workouts in the comfort of our own gym. Or if you're a lazy one, you can call out to the housekeeping staff through the Stanza Resident app and they will. We know we've convinced you, so come, live that Stanza life. Frankfurt House is waiting for you.